ngibongela umuzi kuwe ngithi bayethe to my vice chancellor ngithi kuwe bayethe kaZulu bayethe wena Sobonge Hluleki wena ohleka ungasomi ngithi bayethe Great Zimbabwe, there are only 2 universities in Zimbabwe. There is Great Zimbabwe University and any others. To those who have made it, who are today being kept for the gift of knowledge, despite of the hardships of the course, I say to you, Makorokoto Amshope, Nitigini, go and preach the gospel of Great Zimbabwe University. Go and preach the beauty of Great Zimbabwe. Hambani, let's enjoy Ezikaziweyo, Ubana Lifaga Zelokolo, look at Zimbabwe. Ezani Jamaka, Kota in the Wakakabulo Koko, Vetezekini, the Kola in the Wakakabulo Koko, Vetezkuluma, Vetez, Pesruekolo, Wala, Lama Africa Mate Halala.